Hello everyone, my name is Terminal Dysfunction, and today I finally have a gaming PC. And this is my old PC. This is my old setup. So yeah, this is insane. Look at this thing. So I've changed the camera angle so you can actually see what I'm doing. This is a used PC from my good friend. Instructions? Who the hell reads instructions? I got no, you didn't. Alright, let's think about some. Oh, it's the side glass panel, okay. Yo, I'm just gonna... Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this thing! Look at this thing! This thing is huge! Oh my goodness! There we go. Oh yes. Just, yep. Slide it up just like that. God, what am I doing? Help. Help me. Hello? Just to make Terminal Dysfunction struggles with technology for 10.5 minutes. Another day has gone past, and I finally have this all set up. By the way, this is my TV. I don't have a monitor, so I'm gonna use this. I used it a little bit yesterday, and like, holy crap, this thing's a beast. I just started like playing games. I can actually play games now. This is crazy. Once again, my man Charlo, thank you so much. There we go. This is it. I can now stream any game with like. I can now stream any game with like no lag. No more will you guys have to sit through my crappy playthroughs. Yeah? More will you guys have to sit through my crappy playthroughs while I lag my way through. We got this thing. And if you want to see my first reactions to me playing Minecraft with more than 15 FPS, join the stream. I'll be doing it soon. Sorry, the audio sounds like crap here. I don't have my mic plugged in. Also, the 2-year video is coming soon. I don't know when. I'm bad at making promises. Anyway, thanks Charlo. Thank you for watching this video. See you.